Okay, trigonometry video. Let's draw in this video f of x or y equal sine x, right? Okay, this is simple trigonometry video for just drawing this sine x. First, before we start, sine x is the domain of it is all set r, but we are not going to draw all set r. But we know that this sine x is defined on all set r, and it is periodic every 2k pi, because if we substitute instead of x plus 2 pi, it will be sine x plus 2 pi, right? And since it is periodic, the sine is periodic every 2k pi, we can take the 2 pi out, so it will be sine x again, which is f of x. Then we just draw this part, and it will be periodic every 2k pi, so we can guess the other drawing. Okay, what we do is to find some particular values in from 0 to 2 pi. Simply, this is y, which is sine x, right? And which is sine x, okay? And let's take 0, pi over 6, which is 30 degrees, pi over 4, which is 45 degrees, pi over 3, which is 60 degrees, pi over 2, and pi, 3 pi over 2, right? And 2 pi. If x is 0, sine 0 is 0. And I did that in the previous video. You can go and see how we can find those values or particular values other than calculator. Sine pi over 6, it's half sine 30 or 0.5. Radical 2 over 2 sine 45. Sine 60 degrees is radical 3 divided by 2. Sine pi over 2 is 1. Sine pi is 0. And sine 3 pi over 2 is minus 1. Sine 2 pi is 0. It's as x equals 0. Same. Now let's go and draw. I will use Microsoft calculator. This is the Microsoft calculator, graphic calculator. This is a program called Microsoft Mathematics, right? It's easy to draw on it. Just sine x, and that's it. Let's graph it. Okay, it will directly give me the graph. We can zoom in or zoom out to take the part, the exact part we need to take. Okay, let us try to take snapshot of that. All right. Okay, I just need this part to explain what happened over here, right? As you can see, here what do we have? Here, simply as x equals 0, y equals 0, this is the point 0, 0. This is the sinusoidal curve, right? And as x equal pi over 6, pi over 6 is, we just divide the pi, which is approximately 3.14 divided by 6 to get the exact answer. Okay, let me check. This should be 1, right? 1 unit of y. And when y equal 1, the abscissa is pi over 2. The abscissa is pi over 2. And when abscissa is pi, the ordinate is 0, right? So 0, 0. Somewhere pi over 6 half, at half exactly. This is pi over 6. And pi over 4, radical 2 over 2. You can find the exact values on calculator and plot them. Same for pi over 3. Pi over 2, 1. It's easy. Pi over 2, this is pi over 2. And this is 1, right? This is pi over 2, and this is 1. So we have this point. What else? It's pi 0. This point is pi. 3.14. 1, 2, 3.14. That's it. 3 pi over 2 minus 1, this is the minus 1, and this is the 3 pi over 2, which is pi plus pi over 2, 3 pi over 2, this point, and 2 pi 0, 6.28, 0. And we join them. We join this point with that point, with this point, with this point, with this point. For sure, it will be the same. It will continue the same from both sides, from the side of 0 and from the side of 2 pi. This video represents simply how to draw the sine function.